everybody, it's Margaret from the Elk Grove Village Public Library. First of all, I want to say I miss you guys. I cannot wait till we can see each other again and that we can start doing all of our different events. I really miss doing the make and takes, talking about what's going on in our lives, our kids' lives, our friends' lives, everybody's life. I miss the 20s and 30s. I just miss seeing everybody at the library and in the neighborhood. So I wanted to do a little bit today. It was going to be called finger knitting. It's kind of like a make and take, but I couldn't get the materials to you. But it's really easy. And as you know from me with make and takes, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So I made this. This is like a finger knitting scarf. It is a scarf. And I wrap it around like probably 5 or 6 times and then tied it. And I have to say it looks really good with my gray wool jacket. So you too can make this, and I really enjoyed doing this. So let's go ahead and get started. You do need some yarn. Most of the YouTubes all said, oh, go ahead, do bulky. So this is a weight of a 6, so it is very bulky. You are going to need scissors and like a pen, or if you happen to have a knitting needle. I did not. And you may not have to go out and buy these. You can maybe ask your friends if they have any yarn hanging around. I know my sister was very nice to offer all of that to me. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And at the end of this, I'll talk a little bit. I got what programs we might be having here at the library. So, but first of all, you're going to put the yarn like this. When you start, you're going to hang it over the thumb and that. So you're going to hold on to it. I take off my rings because they seem to get in the way for me. So I'm taking that off. I'm going to go ahead and you're going to first go behind your index finger, then go in front and then go behind in the ring finger and then go around on the pinky. Go in the front now, go behind now, and then go all the way, wrap it around on the index finger. You're then going to go in the front of it. You're going to go behind here on the ring, and again, you're just going to wrap around on the index. On the pinky. Then on the ring finger, go in front, then go behind, and then you're going to wrap it, but you're not going to wrap it around. You're just going to let it hang. Now, I should let you know, so you're always going to have like 2, if you can see, like kind of think of it as rings or loops. You're going to have the 2. You're going to take from the bottom. Always remember, take from the bottom. Kind of squeeze it over on the top, and then you want to make it tight. Okay, pull it tight there. You're going to do the same thing here. Now you need to hold this. You won't need to hold it once you get it a little bit longer, probably like 4 rows or so. But you're going to hold on. But again, I took from the bottom and brought it up. Take from the bottom on this one as well. Kind of get your finger through in there. And then again, you can pull to make it a little tighter. And the same thing will go with here. You're going to go around. And then just kind of push it here and kind of pull and pull. Okay? Now we're going to go ahead and do it again. We're going to go in the front. We're going to go behind. We're going to go wrap it all the way around. Go in the front, go behind, and wrap it. And again, just let it hang. So you're going to go ahead and do this. Not as easy as it is, but it really does get easier. And then you'll get to the point where you can actually watch TV and do this. I was doing that. Or you can talk on the phone, or you can listen to something on the internet. You really can. Just keep tightening it. You're going to go ahead, go around, go like this, go there, and go like that. I should do a shout out to my husband. He is the one that is holding the camera and filming this. I really appreciate this, Ed. It might be his new retirement job. He's very much enjoying retirement. Of course, right now is not what he expected, but no complaints. Well, I think he'll be, like everybody, quite happy once we're no longer having to be shelter in place. So, and again, I'm going to show you, I'm going to do a couple more of these, and then I want to show you how you can take it off. and put it on either the, like I have the pen, or if you have the knitting needle, that would be a good one too. And I'm going to stop this much shorter than if I was doing this. So you can pull it too to be tighter. You can start pulling it when you've got more like that. But if I was doing this normally I would go probably a little bit longer. So, oh, I'm sorry, I should have shown you this. So what I'm doing now is just trying to, you can move it up a little bit if you want, but you want to definitely get it looser. This is going to be like, oh, you have to get off because you need to get something for your kids, or just have to go back to work, or something like that. So you're just going to go ahead, and of course I've made it a little too tight. So you're going to go ahead and put this on like that, and then take it off your fingers, and then you can just let it hang. See, just like that. So now that is like you're taking a break. Now you're going to come back. I'm going to show you. You're just going to put these back on the fingers, just the way they were on there before. Okay, so you can take that off and then pull it down. There you go. And then you're going to tighten it up with this one. This one you're not going to need anymore. I mean, you want it hang, but you just don't really need it. Tighten it like that. And then you're just going to do it exactly the way you had been doing it previously. Make sure you have the two things out there on the hand, on each finger. Pull tight. Pull tight. And again, you can tighten it, you can pull it like that. I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to show you how you can end it. And remember, which I probably did not say this before, but there are many things you can make other than the scarf. So if you look on YouTube, there are necklaces that people have done. There are hats that people have done. There's like headbands people have done. Really cute things out there. So you can go ahead and just kind of figure out what you want. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and act like I'm ending it. So you're going to go ahead and move these all up to like your first, to the first knuckle at least. Okay, then kind of tighten that a little bit. And now with that first one here, you're going to take it from the index and you're going to put it on to the, onto that next finger. Always take from the bottom, go over, and then pull it again. So now you're down from 2 to 1. You're going to go ahead, take this one, and put that on that one. Tighten it up. Go from the bottom, take that over, tighten it up. You're going to go from this one onto the little finger there. Oops. And then, there we go. Tighten that up. Take the bottom, and then you're going to just tighten that up a little, and then you still have that one there. So you're going to take this, now you're going to use your scissors, good 5-6 inches. Now where that last loop is, you're going to put that through, and then you're going to just tie it off like that. Now I'm keeping it, you're going to keep it longer like that because you don't know what you're going to do. If you decide to do a necklace, you're going to need a little bit longer like that. If you decide you're going to go and do a headband, then you're going to have to kind of connect it again. But just leave it like that. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you have fun doing these. I'd love to see the stuff, so please post it onto our Facebook. I would definitely love to see that. And again, look at our events calendar on our website. We'll be putting things out there. There's a few things, Zoom material out there, as well as check out what the children's librarians are doing. So fabulous stuff out there that they've been doing as well. We're going to have some more programs. At the end of the month, we're looking to have some mindful meditation. I won't be doing it, but I'll be there to help host it. And we'll be looking to do some stuff for the make and takes. So check out our website regarding those. and I hope to see you then, and that, or you can maybe over Zoom talk about how everything's going in each other's lives. I can't wait to catch up, and until we see each other again, take care and be safe. Goodbye.